Okay guys, so as for those that have been following my video, then I decided to also make a follow-up video on this particular platform, how you can easily mine some Tron and withdraw it direct to either to your Binance or to your Trust wallet or to your MetaMask wallet. All right, now if you check this very well, you discover that here is my balance, and I've been making unlimited withdrawal from this particular platform and it's working fine. All right, now if you check all of these deposits, you discover that not long ago I've been making a withdrawal, then I sell, I convert, then withdraw the cash direct to my bank account. All right, now in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you how to also make unlimited TRX to your wallet. All right, now if today happens to be the first time you visiting my YouTube page, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to please make sure you click the like on this video. If you love it, then you make sure you subscribe to join the family to make sure you don't miss any of my future content. All right, now this is my balance of my TRX, and we are going to be making a withdrawal direct to this particular wallet. All right, now let's head over to the website. Now this website is actually one of the best websites that I've been any unlimited TRX with, and it has been long since I've been using it, and this website is working fine. All right, now if you check this, here is my profile, and if you check my promotion account, I'm having this TRX, and if you check my miner account, I'm having this TRX. All right, now let me quickly, now I'm going to be dropping my link where you can easily click to sign up, then make sure you create an account. Okay, then you deposit, then you start mining. I'm going to be dropping the rest of the video how you can easily purchase a miner machine, then you can easily start any unlimited TRX. All right, now let me quickly head over to my withdrawal page, but first let me click on the me icon here, then let me show you exactly my account. Okay, if I click on the income statement, you discover that here is my income so far, and this is awesome. Okay, I've been earning unlimited TRX using this particular platform and it's working fine. All right, now let me help. Now let me go back. Okay, let me go back. Let me go to the home page, then click on the withdraw button. Okay, I'm going to be withdrawing from my promotion account. Okay, remember you have to account either your promotion account or you have your miner account. Okay, now promotion account has to do with the your reference, your downlines, the TRX that you're going to be earning from them. Every of their deposit is where your balance is going to be reflected, and you can easily withdraw it direct to your crypto wallet. All right, now I'm going to be clicking on the promotion account, then here I'm going to be entering the amount that I want to withdraw. Okay, I'm going to be withdrawing this. All right, now the good aspect that I love about this platform is that their withdrawal is automatic. Okay, is automatic. You don't need to place a withdrawal, then you start waiting for the next 24 hours. All right, here, so I'm heading over to my authenticator. Okay, all right, how secure this platform is. Okay, I'm going to paste this here, then click on the submit button. All right, now as you can see, application successful. Now if we head back to our account, you discover that my balance on a promotion account is being cleared. Okay, now what we are going to be doing here, just for us to head over to our Binance or whichever wallet that you are withdrawing your TRX to. Or let's go back to our Binance account. Okay, okay, here we go. As you can see, it has been deposited in our account. All right, now look at this, and this was the amount that I placed, but they charged some fee from inside, and here is the remaining balance that I'm having left. All right, now this is the best way that you can use to gain unlimited TRX to your wallet, and this is very legit wallet. All right, so if you have any questions to ask, drop it down below, and I will be there to give you guys the best that I can. All right, see you guys, and don't forget, if you want to join the family, don't forget to please hit the subscribing icon of this video, subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of my future content. See you guys, bye bye.